on smell, touch.
Oh my freaking gosh! Roblox SF 5000. What happened to you? You look scary right now. Yep, because I am now in my EXE mode, and now you have 10 extra lives. So please, don't turn your computer off. Do you understand? You know what? If you turn your computer off again, now you have 9 extra lives for you. Because if you turn your computer off, then I will become myself into my nightmare mode. So please stop turning your computer off. Well done. Very well done. I am now in my nightmare mode, and we have 8 extra lives, so don't turn your off, and I mean it. Well, since you are gonna turn off the computer, okay, now I have to say goodbye, because you will have to prepare for Scratch Cat again. So don't. So goodbye. It sucks to be you. Guess what? I am back, and you disobeyed Roblox 5000, and this time I am now in my shadow health destructive mode, and stop turning your computer off. Oh, okay, I'm gonna call Cloudy to throw you away. Hey Cloudy, yes? What is it? Can you just throw him away? Yeah, sure. Oh my freaking gosh. I want you today. Want to now turn off. So please stop turning off. Oh. Haha, take that. You want to turn off your computer, and if you do once again, then I will begin to turn myself into TLASSCEITD. So please, don't turn your computer off. Mais, espera, mãe. 5 minutos? Sim, só 5 minutos. No, I'm in 20 mode, and now you have 6 lives. So you know what? I'm gonna press on Alt plus F4. There, much better. One thing held into placement also counts as a turn-off. So you tune your computer again and become myself into immunized in the turning 20 mode. So off now.